What's up, guys? Welcome to Mikey Yourself. And yeah, it's just a cruise day, and as you can see on my windshield here, we got some light rain going on. This is super light. It's not even enough to make the ground wet. Honestly, it's very little. So it's actually supposed to be a 1% chance of rain today, but as usual, our forecasters don't tend to do the best of jobs at predicting the weather. But personally, I think if it's 50% is like maybe it will or maybe it won't, right? So up front, I don't think that's such a great number anyway, so whatever. But yeah, so I'm currently in the city of El Cajon, and this is kind of the, I don't want to say the older portion, but one of the dated areas. And you can see we got an old, I think that used to be a Conroy's Flowers there on the corner, which is now fenced up. And I don't know if that was something as a result of COVID, or maybe 1-800-Flowers kicked their butt. I'm not sure. But it looks like they didn't make it. So anyhow, we're actually out on the road cleaning. We're on my boy Blue today, which is actually a video that I hadn't done. I thought, I'm totally surprised that I hadn't put anything together. I don't even know. I think I might have ran Blue for y'all once, but so I wanted to do something where I actually got stuff done, or took a ride on Blue, so y'all could see it. But yeah, so I'm on my way out to a local casino. I just want to see where it's at. It's one I've never been to, called I think it's called Jamul Casino, here in San Diego. I think the city might be considered Jamul as well. It's one of our, we've got a lot of casinos down here actually in San Diego, or at least in my neck of the woods we do. So we're gonna run by there and check it out. I'm not sure. I'm hoping that the ride isn't like this, a bunch of stop and go all the way there. I think once I kind of get a little bit beyond the guts of the city, it gets a little bit better. We'll see. So this is a pretty cool area. There's some trails here, good mountain biking going on down here. I'm not sure what that area specifically is called. There's this older bridge, like a truss, almost like a railroad truss there. Really neat, pretty cool area. I got like parking for you if you want to, go hiking or whatever. All right, so now we're looking in a much better, we're in a much better place. All right. And old Blue, he's riding great. Look at this, man. He cruises along. It's nice having that 6th gear, and the gearing ratio is far different than my Softail was, that's for sure. It's so much more comfortable. I definitely don't feel the amount of vibration that I did before. As much as I love that bike, it was definitely the right move to kind of step it up into the touring world and get myself a base to build a new V-Club, but on a touring platform. So I'll be able to enjoy kind of the bennies of both worlds, the look of the Cholo style bike and having the comforts, abilities of a touring bike. Well, there we are. Here's the Jamul Casino. So alright, looks like they got some construction going on. It's a pretty nice looking building. It don't look too bad. Not that, not many casinos look bad from the outside. Like that would kind of be a deterring factor, right? Hey, look at that. They even got like a cool restaurant, or maybe that's the pool concert area up there. It looks like it might be a pool. It's the outdoor bathrooms, but it's like glass walls. That's cool. That'd be your view there. What do we got here? Got some cows? Yeah, buddy. crappy cow. Not very good at being a cow. Look at that. It's like Yellowstone in California, right? Well, let's take this up a little bit. Just kind of see what's out here. I ain't never been in this area, so why not, right? Well, let's get to turning around here. So I'm gonna pull off the road. Let's put her in neutral. All right. Okay. So there she is, or there he is. That's Blue. Now tell me, you guys that have twin cams like I do, the 96, do y'all's motor shake that much? It's weird, like the Evo, it didn't shake that much at a stop, but it vibrated like hell on a ride, and this is the opposite. As soon as I get going, that shake goes away. So I checked my motor mount, and that seems to be good to go. So I'm just not sure what the hell could be, if anything. Maybe that's just the norm of a twin cam. Let me give you guys a good shot there. But let's goose him a couple times. Oh yeah, baby. That's right. All right, let's head back. Yeah, this dirt here. Bye, cows. See you next time. Alright guys, let's say goodbye to my friends Prime Rib, Filet Mignon, Chuck Roast. See ya, Chuck? That's him right there. Oh yeah. I apologize to my vegan, vegetarian, and pescatarian friends. There you go, a little something old school. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Do you enjoy these kind of ride-alongs? Again, I've never really done much of moto vlogging, and but you know, it's, as the weather warms up here and things get a little bit more jumping, I hope to definitely take you all out on the road a little bit more often with me, and yeah, we'll cover some cool stuff. Also, a lot of places to go check out, some sites here in San Diego, and why don't you all take that ride with me? So if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, join the crew, become a member of our community. Looking forward to having you, hearing your feedback, suggestions, what have you, questions, all that kind of good stuff. And if you don't want to miss out on that next video, hit the notification bell. And until that video does post, I hope to see you in the wind.